Reading Pioneers is proud to present This World Needs Your Gifts. Little Ones Have Beautiful Dreams. Written by Jessica Glade, illustrated by Iris Davidenko. Every small child holds deep in their heart a dream for the future, a shining new start as a doctor, a firefighter, or a teacher of art. Maybe multiple dreams, maybe dreams off the chart. Dreams of little people are balloons without air. They are all beautiful with a message to share, but they need the right person to fill them with care so that each of our dreams can take us somewhere. So, grab your balloon and make sure it's bright. Breathe into that dream with all of your might. Stand back and enjoy this beautiful sight as your big balloon dream takes off like a kite. With hope in your heart, your idea will glow. Take care of that dream to make sure it will grow. It isn't important if you go fast or slow, but give it your all and your effort will show. All of your friends who care about you will be so inspired by the things that you do. Then, do not worry if the dream is brand new. You took the first step. Now, take the next few. Make sure your balloon has plenty of air to last a long time to really get there. It's best to have help from people who care. Dreams will go farther if we know how to share. So, always remember that help can be found when we feel our balloon is stuck on the ground. Ask parents and friends, whoever's around, to help us make sure our dream is skybound. If we give enough effort whenever we can, our balloon will be filled in a shorter time span. Laziness will keep our dream in our hand and not in the sky, flying over the land. If we always say, "Oh, I don't have time," or "I don't feel like trying," then our dreams on the line. So, let's gather our courage with strength in our mind. Give air to our balloons so our big dreams can shine. One thing that happens to every human being is that we forget the point of our dream. We can't remember why we started this thing. So, during that time, just hold tight to the string because this old world needs more beautiful things. The dreams of little ones are needed all about. Your dreams are big gifts we can't live without. And if there is a time when you feel filled with doubt, say your dream loud with pride. Say your dream with a shout. Never give up. I'll tell you why. Your dream will inspire other people to try. Just fill your balloon and send it up high. Care for it and love it and let that thing fly. Thank you, pioneers, for reading with us today to the book The World Needs Your Gifts. Little Ones Have Beautiful Dreams by Jessica Glade. I loved how motivating and empowering this book was with its rhymes and incredible illustrations to help all of those who read it to follow and pursue their future dreams. It also offers 2 examples of step-by-step plans about how to achieve goals. After reading this book, children can practice to plan their dreams, which I think makes this book so unique for every library. If you enjoyed this book, please support Jessica and purchase a copy of Little Ones Have Beautiful Dreams for yourself or a loved one today on Amazon. All you have to do is click the link in the description box down below. I am very thankful for this opportunity to read Jessica's children's book with you today. If you have a book you'd like for me to read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this wraps up today's video. While waiting for the next story, remember to get a copy of Little Ones Have Beautiful Dreams on Amazon to share with your family, and check back here for more read-alouds and children's book recommendations. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!